Guys.
How's it going, everyone? Today I am making another leaf spray painting, as you can see in the title of the video. I was thinking that I might make more of these because people just seem to like them a lot, and they are really fun to make, and they turn out really beautiful at the end. Today I am using the colors neon yellow, neon blue, and a little bit of neon green for my main colors. And of course, I am going to add the fairy and the crackle background at the end. And that pretty much sums up all of what I'm going to do for this painting as for the other two leaf spray paintings that I made a while back. If you guys like it, go ahead and smash that like button. And I'm going to leave a link of my website and my Instagram in the description below. So please go check those out. Also, click that notification bell to get notified on all the videos I'll be uploading. And if you like what you see and you want more, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for your time today. Enjoy the rest of the video. Damn it. All right, that about does it for this video. Yes, that is a painting that I just bought, if y'all were wondering. It is a Venom and Brawly fused together. I got it from this guy named Eric's Artverse. I'm not sure if this guy has a YouTube channel, but I'll see. I'll leave a link in the description below if he does. But he definitely has an Instagram channel, so go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Go check it out. He has so many cool things like this. That looks straight to y'all? You can't really see. Once again, if you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you go check out my Instagram and go check out my website if you're interested in supporting me in other ways. If you guys want to get notified for all the upcoming videos that I'll be uploading in the future, make sure you click the notification bell. And one last thing, if you like what you saw today and you want to see more, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for your time today. I will see you guys in the next spray painting video.